Hi everyone, welcome to our last episode of DEPHEMEREMBER 2024. Today we are reimagining mixed media tags using leftover scraps featuring bold urban graffiti designs to create eye-catching pockets. Join me as we explore the freedom of artistic expression. Let's get crafting! Can you believe it? Now it's really the end of 2024 DEPHEMEREMBER. Such a big thank you to Barbara from 49 Dragonfly and Luise Heinzel for having hosted this wonderful event. The community you have built around you is just so precious and wonderful, and the ephemera we all have created, one looks more beautiful than the other. Can you remember I did this very sturdy journaling card, and I'm using part of what is in there for this last prompt. When I cut it down to size, I used the cover of a coloring in book, and I had these leftover pieces. And I thought first I would like to do some tags out of it, but then I thought, looking through my junk journal, there was a space here where I thought they would really look nice as pockets. Like here, the one with the sun on the top, and the one here with the flower and the little monster or so on the bottom. And yeah, I thought, that's what I do. That's my artistic freedom. I use something that used to be a tag as pockets. But for pockets, what I would like to do here, I would like to find the middle. And then I would like to make a little notch on both of the pockets. And then I'm using my circle punch and just make here like a half punch, or even like a tiny bit punch, so that it's easier to get things in and out of the pocket. And here, this one on the top, the smiling sun, and here on the bottom, the robot. And so, because I really think it is fitting the prompt so well, like urban graffiti. And for the mixed media aspect of the prompt, I thought I will add some lace, like the sturdy cardboard and the like boldness of the urban graffiti, together with this very delicate and soft ribbon, like a lace ribbon. I think it's a nice contrast. I love playing with these contrasts. Yeah, here I think it will work nicely. And as always, when I want to attach pockets and I really would like them to stick really to my pages, I love to use double-sided tape, because I find it is so strong and holding that it works nicely, and it's really easy. It's not smudging, not glue everywhere. And here, just at the outside edges, and if I then turn it around, I can just peel it off. Sometimes a little bit difficult. You need to find an like little corner, and then make sure you are placing it correctly from the start, because once it's glued down, it's glued down. It's hardly possible to get it off again, because the double-sided tape is so strong. Yeah, first pocket done. And I even thought I will use double-sided tape for the lace as well. But because this one is white, I will just half it so that it is matching the width of my lace. And just like before, putting it here on the edge, cutting off the hangover bit, peeling it off, again needing to find the corner. And then here it's important to really cover all of the double-sided tape so that it is not sticking to the page. So Here I need to adjust it a little bit on the top. There's a little bit to the side. Yeah, love it. And then same process on the other side with the other pocket. But what I like to do here is additionally I'm using my crocodile to add an eyelet. Decided to add a black eyelet here. And pressing it down. And then adding to the eyelet a safety pin. Whenever I buy a t-shirt or so, sometimes there are these great safety pins. They have this round thing at the bottom, and then attaching here a little moon, like the sun and the moon. And because this one is a dream journal, I thought the moon is perfect. And here I can put something from below into the pocket and something from the top. And that brings us already to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch all of them, I will add my playlist in my description. And thank you so much for having been part of this journey. Hope to see you soon.